Evidence law quiz number 226. Question number 1. Under section 32 subsection 4 of Evidence Act, the declaration as to public rights and customs are admissible. Option number A. Second question. Opinions of experts are relevant under which section? Section 45 of Evidence Act. Under section 45 of Evidence Act, the opinion of expert can be for identity of handwriting, identity of fingerprint impression, both A and B. Under section 45 of Evidence Act, the opinion of expert can be on the question of Indian law, या foreign law, या both, या only A and not B. So foreign law. Opinion of an expert under section 45 of Evidence Act is a conclusive proof, is not a conclusive proof, is supportive and corroborative in nature. A disputed handwriting can be proved by calling an expert, by examining a person acquainted with the handwriting of the writer of the questioned document, by comparison of the two admitted and disputed handwritings. Option number D, all the above. Entries in the books of accounts regularly kept in the course of business are admissible under Section 34 of Evidence Act if they by themselves create a liability, if they by themselves do not create a liability, irrespective of whether they themselves create a liability or not. When the court has to ascertain the relationship between one person and another, the opinion of any person having a special means of knowledge and expressed by conduct is admissible under which section? Section 50. The relationship in Section 50 of Evidence Act means relationship by blood only, relationship by blood or marriage, relationship by blood or marriage or adoption, yeah, only A and not B and C. Option number C, relationship by blood or marriage or adoption. Last question. Opinion as to relationship of marriage under section 50 of CPC by mistake है ये section evidence है is admissible in cases of offences is option number D is neither admissible in cases of offences against marriage nor in proceeding against under Indian Divorce Act.